Alright, the pattern I chose for today is called StarPillow. Can you guys see that? No, I need to zoom in a little bit. StarPillow. And it's going to look like that when it comes to the end. Step number 1 is going to be to draw a figure 8. And then step number 2 is to do a figure 8 going the other direction. Simple, easy peasy, right? And then we're going to connect the 2 figure 8s with a couple of little arches all the way around. And then in each of those we're going to fill with some stripes. And then coming outward, once you got that filled in, coming outward, we're going to make these sort of crescent roll sort of shapes coming outward from there. And then when you're all finished, the end of these little figure 8s, you're going to put a little shape, and you can fill it in again with some more something, and you can fill around it or whatever you want to do. But that's the basic shape right there. That's what we're looking for. So let's give that a go. I'm just going to put one right in the middle of this right there. This should be fairly quick and easy. Find my pen. Oh, turn on my light. Turning on my light would help. Oh yes, much better. I can see. I don't know about you guys, but I can see better. Okay, so we're going to do a figure 8. Right there. And another figure 8. Like that. And then connect around like that. And then in here, just going to draw some stripes. All the way down. Maybe too far away still. I'm not sure I 100% like this angle, but we're just going to live with it. Okay, and then each arm is going to come out in sort of a crescent roll sort of a shape. So you kind of come out and around, back in, out and around and back in. Like that. And you can just make this little arm whatever shape you want it to be. If it ends up being a little wonky, then it's a little wonky. See? It's okay. It can live its own life just happy as it can be in whatever shape it ends up. that. That one's got a little bit of a twist to it. And one more. Like that. There we go. I've got them different sizes, different shapes, and then you can just embellish around it as you see fit. You can just do these little dots in here. That's the official pattern, like you're finished. Then you can do whatever you feel like doing to embellish this little guy. I do like adding some shapies around it or in it, or I'm just playing. You guys can do whatever you want in and around this. I'm just filling in so I can have a full tile. I'm just filling in around the edges randomly. StarPillow is the name. I want some think because I've done it on a colored tile, I'm also going to probably use some white pencil to highlight after I do my shading. You could fast forward if you want. Oh, my feet. I am not wearing proper shoes, so standing is feeling a little awkward. I should be wearing shoes, but I'm not. I'm just wearing slippers because it's a dark and gloomy day. Looks like the rain is... I may miss it. I may be able to get from the studio to the house without getting wet. That is my hope. But it looks like it's on its way again. So, and then I think I'm just gonna, because I just have my slippers on, I think it's gonna be a hot cocoa, curl up in bed, well, not in bed, curl up on the sofa, watch YouTube videos kinds of day. Once I get finished here, I think that would be appropriate. How's that? Do I have enough dark? And is it in the right places? I think so. Okay. Pencil. Where's my pencil? Where'd my pencil go? It can't have gone that far. I haven't moved. There it is. Silly thing. Start with that. Am I blending stump? Because it's on a really dark piece of paper, I'm feeling like the shadows are not dark enough. I may have to come back through again with another layer of pencil, because I don't think that's going to be dark enough. Since the paper is so dark, I need to go deeper with my shadows here. And I forgot to do this part where my little guys go under my arms. These bits. I think that's better. I think I need my bigger stump too. The bigger stump distributes the graphite differently than the little one does. Sometimes I just feel more comfortable with the bigger stump. That's better. Okay, now it needs the highlighting. Make this puppy pop. Okay. Almost done. We're almost done. We're getting really close, folks. I think that'll do it. Unless I want some white here. I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That needed. Oh, oh, it's a winner. I'm super happy with that. It didn't take too terribly long to do. Gotta zoom out just a little bit so you see the whole thing. There we go. Alrighty, StarPillow, that's a fun one. It was easy to do. I'm really happy with how that came out. I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you next week. Monday's gonna be To the Point. Wednesday's going to be Toodle Trio, and Friday will be Trelly's Elven for next week. I will see you later. You guys have a great day. Go out and do something nice for somebody today and make the world a better place, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.